What sparked your interest in the trading market, and how did you get started in this field? Let's hear what traders' answers are.
Hello everyone, my name is Yi Cheng. I'm a TradingLive lecturer and also a certified prop firm trader. I have 5 years of experience in trading Forex and managing over 6-figure amount of funds. What sparked my interest in trading Forex is the freedom when it comes to trading, because you can trade whenever you like and also wherever you like. How I started Forex was I was introduced by a group of Forex traders in my university previously.
Greetings all, my name is Kingsley Ebianga, founder of Kingstech ICT. I have been trading for the past 4 years, and what sparked my interest when someone actually mismanaged my finances, and so I decided to go into trading myself, to handle my resources myself. And so I got introduced into a platform where actually I was paying about 200 US a month, to learn. But now I think I have been quite consistent with my results, and so I am in this platform right now to pass on the knowledge. And so hope to see you guys in this platform, and until next time I would say good luck and happy trading.
Hi, my name is Sifu Steve from TradingLive. So I'm 37 this year from Kuala Lumpur. And how do I start trading is actually from a friend 2 to 3 years ago. So from what I seen my friend did and the profits he generated through trading, that really sparked my interest. And how did I get started in this field actually is from YouTube, social media, predominantly, because I believe majority of us, we started learning and harnessing knowledge from social media, especially from YouTube. So that is how I get started. That is what sparked my interest in trading.
Hello TradingLive Nation, my name is Warren Zakunda and I'm an educator on trading.live.
My journey started 7 years ago in a place called Chitumbiza in Harare, Zimbabwe. That's when I discovered trading. How I discovered trading was actually a funny thing. One day I was watching CNBC and I didn't understand. I've always wanted to watch CNBC or Yahoo Finance and understand what they were talking about. So I say to myself, I didn't want to feel like this. I didn't want to feel stupid. So let me just start by Googling all the terms that we're talking about. So that led me to finding out what trading was. My journey so far has been somewhat amazing, as I've worked both on the retail and on the institutional side of this industry. I've worked for asset management firm, and I've also worked for some of the reputable brokers out there, and I've also worked as a retail trader for the best part of the last 3 years. So that has been my journey, and thank you for attending.
Hi there, my name is Candid and I'm from Albania. I'm a trading mentor and private investor. I have worked in the banking system for more than 17 years in financial analysis and treasury department. My career started in 2009. Like everyone else, I just wanted to make money, but later I was amazed by the power of the technical analysis and how you can anticipate the market moves in advance. Since that day, I really love analyzing the charts and to improve myself day after day. It is a real challenge, but it gives you a lot of freedom and you can trade from anywhere you want.